just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be preparing to go on a vacation. We're leaving in just a few hours, but I need to go ahead and repack this bag back here. So I need to kind of repack up this bag. I got a few things from TJ Maxx and Target that I'm going to show you guys that I'm planning on wearing throughout the trip, getting all the devices charged, you know, all the pre-vacay stuff that you have to do. So I did most of the shopping endeavors last night, taking a little bit later start. It's about 1-ish now, and now it's time to kind of buckle down and get to packing. So that's exactly what we're gonna do now. So I'm thinking my plan of action for this is for me to go ahead and literally drag that bag over here, take everything out, and then just repack it up. So this time lapse of me doing literally just that. Update, I have a different bag. I have this black Nike bag I'm going to pack in. I interrupt today's vlog to show you guys a few things that I purchased from the store. So first up, I have these cute little gladiator sandals. Love them. They're super cute. I've been wanting some all summer long, but just haven't found the right ones for me, and I really wanted them to be this light brown color. I love that. I think it looks super flattering. Up next is this romper. We're going to see if it works. I'm actually literally about to go try it on in a second. It's pretty long. It's nice and yellow, and then you can like tie. This one is more of like orangey with like red hint to it. It's just like the yellow one, so I don't know if that's going to come across on camera, but this is what it looks like. Same layout, and they are two different sizes, so if one fits, I'm assuming the other won't, so I'll definitely be returning one of them. They're both super cute, so I can't go wrong either way. This is super cute. It's this kind of like haltery situation. I love, you can see I got it on clearance. I love that it has these adjustable straps. We have kind of get a little commotion for the t-shirt dress, you know, my fave. I live in these. What more can be said? I have now a navy blue and then a navy blue with like a cream straight one. I don't have a navy blue t-shirt dress, not like I'm not going to wear it. Continuing on, just got two little beauty products. I got this cute little NARS. It's the Power Matte Lip Pigment. Pretty, especially with that one super pinky top. I think like this could be something. And then I got this cute little OPI. So that's all from TJ. On to Target. So from Target, I got a new watch. So I have this adjustable band one. It's this pinky-ish color there. Beauty favorites. And then I'm gonna try the lip bar Just Tint 3-in-1 tinted skin conditioner, and then it has SPF 11, and I am super excited because I know that they are a black owned business. This basically is a sun protector, complexion perfector, skin moisturizer, all in one. Now on to the clothes from Target. So I got this swimsuit here. It's like this leopardy-ish, abstract leopard maybe, and it's this halter situation. So, and then I just got the boy short bottoms. Then I got a pair of white shorts. I turned down the exposure so you could see the shorts in and of themselves, but this is what they look like. And I like how it's the 4-inch. They're kind of longer, and then they have this like raw hem cut here, and then the high-rise midi short, which is kind of the cut that I like. I like them to be high-rise, a little bit longer than those like super short shorts. So this is like my preferred length of a short. Then I saw this really cute, actually my mom saw this really cute peachy dress, very long here. I think it's gonna be super cute on the trip as well, especially paired with the gladiator sandals. Then we have right here this like almost like a Komodo sort of. I think it's super adorable and cute. But this is basically, for the most part, all the stuff that was seeping out of that bag. Like I said before, I'm packing stuff in a different bag for this trip. This is all the stuff I brought from school that I can use for the trip if I need to, but I'm definitely going to obviously start with the things that work that I just showed you guys up here, because I can already, you know what outfits I would use based off of this stuff, and then just kind of fill in with what I already have available down here. Like that romper, definitely gonna be wearing that, and those like flowy pants over there. There's some options. Of course, I need to just tidy up the room. Always get a good packing trip started with a candle, so we're gonna go ahead, light this candle, put on some music. Let's try these clothes on. I'm super excited to do that. My hair is doing its own thing back here. See you guys in a while. Bye. Update, I've tried everything on. A few things I need to return, but now I'm on to packing up the bag. Update on the packing situation. I got everything stuck in here, the things that I won't be taking, so that's what's in this bag. I'm packing up my little book bag with like my laptop, all the other like extra things. I'm doing that as we speak now, but in short, it wasn't that difficult. So I wanted to go ahead and sign this video off. I hope you guys enjoyed, especially the little haul in the middle. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Stay tuned for my Countdown to College series that is coming up in, I guess, less than 2 weeks now. All that and more on the horizon. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.